Good morning, students. Today we will solve the question from exercise 2.3. Students, we are solving the linear equations in one variable. In this exercise, students, we have already solved exercise 2.1 and 2.2. Now, today we will solve exercise 2.3. So, in this we have to solve the equation and check the result. So, first of all we have to solve the questions from this exercise. So, this one is the first question, student, that is 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Students, in this there are two sides, that is left hand side and this one right hand side. So, left hand side is equal to the right hand side, student. So, first of all we have to solve the equation. This equation, to solve equation, it means we have to find out the value of the variable. So, in the first step, student, we have to transpose variable one side and the numbers another side. So, this one will be 3x and this one 2x is right hand side of the equation, students. So, we have to take this 2x to the left hand side of the equation. So, we have to change the sign of this, that is 2x. So, we have to write this minus 2x after transposing this 2x from right hand side to left hand side, and it will be 18. So, now equation is 3x minus 2x is equal to 18, students. So, from 3x we have to subtract this 2x because these are the like terms. So, 3x minus 2x, that is x. X is equal to 18, student. So, this is the value of the variable and solution is x is equal to 18. Now, we have to check this whether this answer is correct or not. Now, we will check 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. This is our equation, and in this, student, 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. We have to write it 3 into 18 because in place of x there is 18. So, it will be 2 into 18 plus 18. So, this one, student, 3 into 18, it will be 18 3 ja 54 is equal to 18 2 ja 36 plus 18. In this step, student, we have to add this 36 plus 18. So, this one will be 54 is equal to 36 plus 18, it will be 54. So, this one left hand side is equal to right hand side. Clear, students? So, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, our solution, the value of variable is correct because we have put the value of variable, that is x is equal to 18 in this equation, and we find that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Therefore, our solution is correct. Now, we have to solve the second question of this chapter, student, and this one is, second question is, student, 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. This one is left hand side of the equation and this one is right hand side of the equation. So, in the first step, students, we have to change the variable one side and the numbers another side of the equation. So, 5t and this one 3t, we have to transpose this 3 to from right hand side to left hand side, student. So, this one will be 5t minus 3t. Students, here 3t is positive. After transposing, the sign will be changed. So, it will be minus 5 plus 3. Here 3 is negative, student. After transposing it from left hand side to right hand side, sign will be changed. So it will be plus 3. Now 5t and 3t, these are the like terms, students. So it will be subtracted. We have to subtract this 3t from 5t and it will be 2t, student. 2t is equal to minus 5 plus 3. One is negative and another number is positive, student. So it will be subtracted. So minus 5 plus 3, it will be minus 2. Now in the next step, student, it will be 2t is equal to minus 2 or t is equal to minus 2 by 2. And after transposing this 2 from left hand side to right hand side, student, we have to write it 2 by minus 2 by 2, because 2 is multiplied here. After transposing, it will be divided here. Clear, students? So this one minus 2 divided by 2, it will be minus 1. So value of t is equal to minus 1. This is the answer of the variable, student. Now we have to check this, whether the value of this variable is correct or not. So we have to put the value of variable in the equation once again, student. So we have to write the equation, that is 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. So in place of t, we have to put minus 1, student. So 5 into minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 minus 5. Students, in this, in place of t, we have to put the value of t, that is minus 1. So 5 into minus 1, it will be minus 5, and this one minus 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1, it will be minus 3, and this one minus 5, it will be minus 5. Minus 3, minus 5 and minus 3, both are negative, so it will be added. This one will be minus 8 is equal to again minus 3 and minus 5, it will be minus 8. So this one left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our solution is correct, because left hand side is equal to right hand side, students. Now we have to solve the question number 4th, student, and the question number 4th is, that is 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. This one is left hand side and this one is right hand side of the equation, student. So this one 4z, in the next step we have to write this 4z. After transposing this 2z from right hand side to left hand side, we have to change the sign, that is minus 2z is equal to 6, and we have to change this number 3 from left hand side to right hand side. So we have to put the sign negative. Clear, students? So 4z minus 2z, that is 2z. 2z is equal to 6 minus 3, that is 3. Now what will be the value of z? Z is equal to 2 is multiplied here, and after transposing it will be divided. That will be 3 by 2. This is the value of variable z. Z is equal to 3 by 2. Now we have to check whether our solution is correct or not. So students, we have to put the value of z in the given equation. So student, this one, that is 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. So in place of z, we have to write the value of z, that is 3 by 2. So student, 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2 into 3 by 2, because z is equal to 3 by 2. Now we have to multiply this or divide first. That 4 divided by 2, it will be 2 students here. So this one 2 into 3 plus 3 is equal to, and here again we have to divide it, 2 divided by 2. So this one 6 plus 3. So now student, multiply this first. 2 3 are 6 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 3, and this one 9 is equal to 9. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, therefore our solution is correct. Clear student? So we have to solve all the questions like this. Now we have to solve question number 6 student, and this is question number 6, and in this question 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 1 plus 7. So student, first of all we have to solve this bracket, and after that we have to transpose the variable one side and the numbers another side. So write this 8x plus 4 is equal to, this one after multiplying this x by 3, this will be 3x, and minus 1 multiplied by 3, it will be minus 3 plus 7. This is the first step student, and after writing this first step we have to write again this 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x, this one students plus 7 and minus 3, it will be, after subtracting this 3 from 7 we get plus 4. So this, in the next step we have to change the variable one side and the numbers another side of the equation. So this one will be 8x minus 3x is equal to, this one 4, and this one student minus 4, because after transposing it will be negative. Here it is positive 4, and after transposing it will be negative 4. So, and this one 3x, it will be negative here. So 8x minus 3x, it is 5x is equal to 4 minus 4, it will be 0, and x is equal to 0 divided by 5. If we divide the 0 by any number student, it will be 0. So x is equal to 0. The value of x is 0 here student. So now we have to check whether this solution is correct or not. So we have to put this 0 in the given equation student. So we have to check, and we have to put the value of x in the given equation student. Here 8x, it means 8 into 0 plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 1 student. So in place of x we have to put 0 here. So 3 in bracket 0 minus 1 plus 7 is equal to 0. So here student, this one 8 divided by 8 multiplied by 0, that is 0 plus 4 is equal to 3 multiplied by 0, it will be 0, and 3 multiplied by minus 1, it will be minus 3 and plus 7. So now it will be 4 is equal to minus 3 plus 7 student, because this one is 0. So minus 3 plus 7, it is 4. So 4 is equal to 4. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side. after putting the value of the variable, that is x is equal to 0, we find that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, our solution is correct here, student. So, the value of x is 0 in this equation. So, now we have to solve the next question, student, and that is question number 8. So, student, in question number 8, here this one is 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x plus 15 by 7x by 15 plus 3. So, this one left hand side of equation and this one right hand side of the equation, student. So, in the next step we have to solve this equation, student, and this equation, that is 2x by 3 plus 1 and this 7x by 15 plus 3. So, first of all we have to change the variables one side and the numbers another side. So, this one will be, student, 2x by 3 minus, because 7x by 15 is positive here, so after transposing it will be negative. So, minus 7x by 15 is equal to plus 3 here, student, this one 3 and this one positive here. So, after transposing it will be negative, this one minus 1. So, in the next step, student, we have to take the LCM here. Clear, student? Because this one is a fraction, that is 2x by 3 and this one is again a fraction, that is 7x by 15. So, to solve these fractions we have to take the LCM first. So, 3 and 15, the LCM of these two numbers will be 15, student. So, in place of 3 we have right here 15. So, 3 5 ja 15. So, we have to multiply this 2x by 5. So, it will be 5 into 2x minus, and here 15 is already, students. So, we have to write this 7x is equal to, this one will be 3 minus 1, that is 2, student. And now multiply this 2x by 5, that is 10x minus 7x by 15 is equal to 2. Now 10x minus 7x, that is 3x by 15 is equal to 2. Student, here 15 is divided in the left hand side of the equation. So, we have to transpose this 15 to the right hand side and it will be multiplied here. So, 3x is equal to this one will be, student, 2 into 15 and 3x is equal to 15 to the 30. Now, x is equal to, student, here 3 is multiplied with x. So, after transposing 3 to the right hand side, it will be divided 30 by 3. So, 3 10 ja 30. So, x is equal to 10. The value of this variable x is 10 here, student. Now, we have to check the solution. So, this one is 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. So, value of x is 10, student. So, we have to put the value of x in the given equation. So, first, student, this one 2 into 10 upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 into 10 upon 15 plus 3. Now, student, this one 2 into 10, that will be 20 by 3 plus 1 is equal to, this one 7 10 ja 70 by 15 plus 3. Now it will be, student, we have to take here LCM, that is 3. So 20 plus, after taking LCM as 3, we have to multiply this 3 into 1 is equal to, here we have to take LCM 15, student. That will be 70 plus 15 into 3 by 15. So it will be, student, 20 plus 3 by 3 is equal to 70 plus 15 3 is 45. 70 plus 45 by 15. Now it will be 23 by 3, and it will be 45 and 70, it will be 115 by 15, student. This one 115 by 15. Now reduce this. This one, after reducing it by 5, we get that 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, and this one 5 3 is 15. So this one 23 by 3 is equal to 23 by 3. So this one left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our solution is correct, student. The value of variable x is 10 in this question, student. Now we have to solve question number 10. This is question number 10, students, and in this question it is 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. This one is left hand side of the equation and this one is right hand side of the equation. And in this, student, first of all we have to take the variable one side of the equation and the numbers another side of the equation. So this one will be 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8 by 5. After taking this 5m from right hand side to left hand side, it will be minus 5m, student. So 3m minus 5m, it will be minus 2m is equal to minus 8 by 5. Now in the next step we have to reduce this negative sign, students, because in both sides there is negative sign, so we can write it like this: 2m is equal to 8 by 5. Now m is equal to 8 by 5 divided by this 2 is multiplied in the left hand side, so it will be divided in right hand side, students. So into 1 by 2. So 2 4 ja 8. So m is equal to 4 by 5. This is the value of m, students. Now we have to check whether our solution is correct or not. So students, we have to put the value of m in the given equation. This one 3m, so it will be 3 into 4 by 5 is equal to 5m, it will be 5 into 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. So after multiplying this 3 4 ja 12, this one will be 12 by 5 is equal to, and in this step, students, we have reduced this 5 by 5 because 5 into 4 this one is, and this one 5 divided by 5, so 5 1 ja 5. So 1 4 ja 4 minus 8 by 5. in the next step student, it is 4 by 1. So in the next step we have to take the LCM of the denominator. So this side is 12 by 5 is equal to, this one student, 5 will be LCM. So here 1 5 ja 5, so we have to multiply this 4 by 5. So 4 into 5 minus 8, and in the next step it will be 12 by 5 is equal to 4 5 ja 20, 20 minus 8 by 5. In the next step student, this one 12 by 5 is equal to 20 minus 8, that will be 12 by 5. So 12 by 5 is equal to 12 by 5. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our solution is correct here student.